Welcome to Bali, the island of the gods. Its stunning landscapes, terraced rice fields, and beautiful sandy beaches draw travelers from all over the world. Yet beyond these postcard-perfect views lies a rich and fascinating history, tracing back to ancient Hindu kingdoms and continuing through the Dutch colonial era. The temples of Bali are at the heart of its culture. The most sacred among them, Pura Besakih, often called the Mother Temple, sits on the slopes of Mount Agung. Built over 1,000 years ago, this religious complex symbolizes the deep connection between humans, nature, and the divine. In the Bukit Peninsula, you'll find Pura Uluwatu, constructed in the 11th century on a dramatic cliff overlooking the Indian Ocean. Every evening, it hosts a mesmerizing Kecak dance performance that tells the epic of the Ramayana. Tanah Lot, for its part, appears to float on the sea at sunset, and has been one of Bali's most photographed spots for centuries, illustrating the island's profound spirituality and legendary beauty. Bali's history is shaped by the legendary Hindu dynasties, particularly the influence of the Majapahit kingdom from Java in the 14th century. This era left a strong cultural heritage visible in traditional dances, temple architecture, and the Hindu ceremonies that punctuate daily life for the Balinese. At the start of the 20th century, Bali came under Dutch colonial rule. Despite fierce resistance from local royalty and inhabitants, the island was eventually incorporated into the Dutch East Indies. This period changed trade relationships and introduced new infrastructures. Nevertheless, the Balinese preserved their traditions and cultural identity, making Bali truly unique within Indonesia. Today, Bali offers a harmonious blend of modernity and ancient traditions. Temples still resonate with daily offerings, while cultural festivals draw both locals and curious travelers. Colorful markets, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality reflect the soul of this island, shaped by its vibrant history and spiritual heritage. From the summit of Mount Agung to the famous southern beaches, Bali provides so much more than scenic views. Its past, marked by powerful kingdoms and colonial influence, has created an invaluable cultural legacy. Why travel to Bali? To immerse yourself in a world where spirituality, nature, and history merge, and where every moment is steeped in tradition. Let yourself be enchanted by the island of the gods, and discover the magic that makes Bali a dream destination. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel insights, and get ready for an unforgettable experience in Bali.